welcome back to another video. Oh my god, long time no see. I'm sitting down in front of a camera for the first time in a very long time. I am after moving. As you can see, it kind of looks similar. Well, the layout is all the exact same, like all my stuff hasn't changed, but I have moved. I've moved into a totally different house and I am very excited. And I haven't posted videos on my YouTube in quite some time, but that's because I have no internet. I could have been editing all this time, but I'm not gonna lie, I didn't, because I was just getting the house ready and I was moving in and there was so much involved, so much has happened. So I just wanted to say hi, welcome back. I wanted to show you what my setup looks like from this side, because you never see me from this side. You never see this. You're usually on the other side, so you only see my backdrop. So I just wanted to say hi. How are you? It's the 4th of October. I actually got a new phone as well, so that happened. I'm pretty broke at the moment. I haven't sat down in front of a camera for a solid month. It was the craziest experience actually getting this house. If you know me, or if you have been watching me on Twitch, or even just following me anywhere, I've been desperately trying to move. Now, there is a major housing crisis in Ireland at the moment, and it was so difficult for me to find somewhere. We were totally unhappy with where we were living, and if you know me, I've been complaining about it for like the longest time. We got this house in like the weirdest way. I don't know. I want to make another video just explaining all of that in a little bit more detail, because I know there's quite a lot of people out there at the moment that I guess are looking for homes or looking to, you know, I guess relocate. So I think I'm gonna make another video all about that, giving you a little bit of like tips and tricks of how potentially you could, you know, I guess get a house. As I said, there is a major crisis at the moment. No one's getting homes. There isn't enough homes out there, and landlords are absolute just horrible assholes. So I'm going to make a little sit down, a chatty video. Maybe we should do our makeup at the same time. Maybe like a little chatty video where I explain all about my house and just give you a little bit of info, and maybe it might help someone. It might, it mightn't. I sat down with my little notebook like the other night. Obviously I have no internet, so you can only imagine how painful that is for me. I wrote down a few like ideas for videos, and I was just looking forward to sitting down and making content again. I didn't want to just go back to uploading videos and not tell you like things have changed, because my background is going to be different, everything is going to be different, my mood is probably going to be so much different. So I wanted to kind of have like a little interval. Like I wanted, even from myself on my channel, to see like, okay, this is where I moved into my new house and I was happier and less depressed. So I'm going to show you a little bit of my room. I'm not really sure about my backdrop yet, so that's why I want your feedback. I want your feedback. I want you to tell me what I can improve, and I want to hear your opinions on what kind of content you want to see from me as well. So we'll get to that in a minute. Yeah, I'm going to show you. I'm going to turn the camera around and we're going to talk about it a bit more. I'm so excited. Can you tell I'm like in such a different mood? I think a lot of pressure like just was released from me. Oh my god, that sounds really weird. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This is a very awkward angle. Okay, so this is, I guess, the back of my new video. I don't even know what I'm trying to show you here, but I'm showing you something. I went to IKEA and I spent quite a lot of money and I got this. Wow. Stunning. So I don't know, I didn't know what I wanted to do with the background. This wall is quite big. The whole room is actually quite massive. I will show you in a minute, don't worry, you'll see everything. A minute ago you've seen what my desk looks like, which I will show you in detail as well in a minute. But then this is the other side, which is what you were going to see in the back of my YouTube videos. So here's the thing, I got these lights. Do you see the ones that like are all the way up there? They're just kind of like doing their thing. I don't know whether I like them or not. So if you could let me know, if you're still watching, I don't know, if there's anyone still watching this, probably like 1 or 2 people, will you let me know what you think of this? Now, the items that are going to be on that, I don't know whether they will be staying, but it's just the lights. Are you happy with these lights? Wait, let me try close the curtains. If I close them, the room is kind of cool and vibey. I kind of like it, but I also kind of don't. So please let me know. Is it cute? Is it kind of weird? What are we thinking? Like, that'll be me in my videos, and then that'll be the background. Okay, so I have you here with me right now. The lighting is going to be all over the place, just bear that in mind. But I just wanted to show you what like my room actually looks like. I have this massive like wardrobe area. Like this wardrobe area is big. Like I have 2 wardrobes. They're full. There's 2 other wardrobes in the bedroom. They're also full of like my stuff, which is quite bad. Then over there is like where I get ready and stuff, which is actually very handy for me to be able to get ready there. That's my light. And then as you can see, this is my desk. I'm not even in focus anymore. I actually really love where my desk is and how it's like looking with the lights and stuff. I'm gonna put like a cool, what do they call it, tapestry. I'm gonna put a cool tapestry back there, so that's gonna look really cozy. And I want to get a light. Okay, so there's this banana light I've seen. I don't know if you know, again, probably you don't know, but when I was in college I made loads of banana art, which I'm actually gonna show you right now. So I made like this kind of stuff in college. It was all about bananas, so I kind of want to get like this cool banana light. This is what it looks like essentially. This is what my room is going to be like. So this is the desk and then this is the backdrop. Like, I think it's just the background. I think that's what I'm kind of confused about. And this is the one thing that you can see, and you probably won't be able to see in any of the videos, but up there, like the way that I stuck it, it's really bad and it looks horrendous. It's stuck with white tack, so it's like blue tack, but it's white. It's so bad, but like, it's kind of nice. I don't know, it's, oh god. I don't know, I think it's, for the first time ever, I actually have a space to work with that I'm actually really happy with. So I want to make it look nice. And at the moment, it's really not, so I don't know. I'm just, yeah, I don't know. This is what it looks like. So here's my desk. As I said, I think I'm gonna put like a tapestry. Where's my hand? I'm gonna put a tapestry up there because at the moment it's quite boring back there. So I don't know, I need something. That's why I said I'd put the banana light if I still find it in the shop. It's probably sold out by now. But I want to put that banana light there, and then I have like a cute little cork board of like ideas that I can put up there as well, which I think would be quite cute. So yeah, I haven't fully set up everything yet because we have no internet, as I mentioned. But I think there's a man coming like really soon. Like there should be someone coming to install it because it's like a massive big deal apparently. I don't understand. But yeah, this is where I'll be doing most of my work, and I just really wanted to show this to you because every time I watch a YouTuber or anyone, I'm really interested to see what's behind the camera, or like just to see the inside, not the inside, the in-depth, like behind the scenes. Like I just love that. That's like my favorite thing to watch. So considering there's apparently over 1,000 people that are after subscribing to me, can you believe 1,000 subscribers? Thank you so much, first of all. But second of all, who are you people? If you're genuinely enjoying this, I want to be like, you know, I want to show you everything. I don't just want to show you like just videos. I want to be able to, you know, connect with all these people that apparently are subscribing. Like, who are you guys? Anyways, guys, that's kind of everything for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I kind of wanted to take my channel in a bit of a different direction as well. Considering I have hit 1,000 subscribers, I want to be able to branch out a little bit, see what I'm interested in, see what works, see what doesn't. This kind of content mightn't work for me at all, and I mightn't be happy with any of this. So I'm, for the first time, actually proud to be in like my office and be able to create content in it, you know. I think that's really exciting. I want to share it with you guys. The most important part actually of this is the reason why I moved, like one of the main reasons was the noise level in my other apartment. And even people in my Twitch streams used to notice like, oh my god, what's that sound? And I was like, oh, that's just my stupid neighbors. But we actually are living in a house now, so the silence, that is just insane to me. So I think I have a little bit more peace of mind, and like my mental health is a lot better since I moved here. I just feel a lot more at peace. I feel like ideas, you know, ideas are flowing a lot better. That's why this notebook is already like filling up quickly. I mean, this is all just for a little bit of fun. I never thought I would have started a YouTube channel. Well, no, I kind of always wanted to, but I never thought I would get to 1,000 subscribers. So I mean, like, why not play around now while I can and while I feel the most like comfortable doing it? So yeah, I'm excited, and I hope you are too. So please subscribe because you don't want to miss out all this content. But anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. It was definitely different, and let me know what you think of my background. And yeah, I shall see you in a lot more videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!